Hey everybody, I wanted to do this fairly quickly. If you have a use for copying a quiz in Canvas, whether it's say an exit ticket that you're doing, or you have a quiz that you are going to be giving multiple times, like it's a CFA, some sort of formative assessment, and you want to just keep using the same questions in that quiz and everything, I'm going to show you how that needs to be done. Canvas, when we as a department came up with the CFA, we put it into a shared Canvas course, and then that way we could kind of import all of that stuff into our own courses and use that for our own students. But after I've already imported this quiz from that course, I can't import this quiz from that same course or copy this in any way, because when I am looking at this quiz and I try to copy or send it this way, or I try to just duplicate that one by adding it again, I go in here to my quizzes and I add that quiz again, it's going to be the same exact quiz. If I were to edit this quiz here, I don't know why that didn't work. If I were to edit this quiz, like say I edited this, this one, I want this one to be my post test. And so I change that to post test. It's going to change that for the first one. So it changes it for both of them. So this isn't a true copy is kind of the point that I'm trying to make here. So the way that we're going to be able to copy this and make it reflect accurately a pre-test and a post-test is we're going to go ahead and import this quiz again, but we're going to import it from this existing course. So this is my English 11 CP course. So I'm going to go import content, copy a course, find that course here. This is the right one. It's the right year and everything. I'll select specific content. And anytime you import from anything, when you're doing it this way by copying a Canvas course, I recommend always adjust these dates and just remove all of those dates. So click on this checkbox for this option of adjusting dates and just remove those dates so that when you're ready to assign it, you can apply a unique due date to that. So then we hit import. It's going to process. We go ahead and click select content. I need to find that quiz here under quizzes. And this is the quiz that I want to make a duplicate of. I want to use the same questions, but I want it to be new data. So I click on that one, click select content. It's going to process. And once that's done processing, I can go ahead and click on modules and go back, and I want to put it in this module. And what I'm going to see is I'm going to have two copies. This is essentially chronological order. So I'm going to click this bottom one. That's being the most recent one. Add that. Notice how this one doesn't have a due date. So I know that's the correct one because I removed the due dates. And now I can edit this quiz all I want. I can change this to post test, or if it's a exit ticket, I can just change the date on it. I can change these instructions and do whatever I want, and it's not going to be affecting that previous one. This is a brand new copy. It's just copied over all the questions. And so this is that original pretest. You can see that all the changes that I've made have not affected this one because this is going to be the same data. So hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully this wasn't too long, and have a good day. Email me if you have questions.